Okay, good morning, people. This is me and Greg. Greg Reynolds. Say what's up, Greg.
What's up, Greg?
Greg said what's up. As you can see today, we started to degrease the engine. We're gonna start pulling off the valve covers and intake, and we're gonna get busy after all these. We're gonna get busy with all these leaks and whatnot. So, Greg, we're gonna do it today.
I'll go find him.
He's gonna go find Greg.
Yeah.
Greg's a little camera shy, but he's gonna have a lot to do with this. So, you'll see me in our next videos. Stay tuned.
You'll see me walking away.
Yes, walking away because he's camera shy.